Congratulations on choosing Aquavolt. Now you can enjoy your time at the beach, by the pool, or at the water park without worry. Aquavolt is both a visual deterrent and a functional locking safe with a 3-digit code that you can reprogram anytime you like. Let's review how to use Aquavolt. Insert your valuables, close the lid, and turn the knob clockwise, 1/4 turn to lock. That's it. Your cash, wallet, jewelry, mobile phones, room keys, and car keys are now safe, and you get to enjoy your day in the sun. Be sure to adjust the settings on the lock to something other than your combination and test to ensure it's closed and locked properly. To set the code on your lock, open your Aquavolt, set the code to 000. Rotate the knob to the unlock position so the metal clasp is down. On the inside of the unit, move the small lever up by first pushing it over, then up. Set the code on the lock to your desired combination. Now, move the small lever back to its original position simply by pushing down. It will snap back into place. Now close the lid, turn the knob clockwise, 1/4 turn to lock and change the code. Your Aquavolt is locked. To open, simply move the numbers to your saved combination. Turn the knob counterclockwise, 1/4 turn, and open the lid. Aquavolt. Enjoy the sun without getting burned. Visit theaquavolt.com to learn more and to get yours today.